dangerous. Will you save me again?
But you were the one who was kind enough to save me.
You don't remember, do you? I'm sorry to confuse you, but I really have to get going. Take care of yourself, Emil.
A red jewel on her forehead.
So they said that your name is Emil. Well, Emil, have you seen a girl around here with a red jewel on her forehead?
Maybe Marta is the girl with the jewel that man was looking for. I should probably let him know.